Unlock the secrets to turn your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your cash or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, you have just to dive in. Open your browser first, then dive over facebook.com. This is the home page. Then you have just to click over here and search about marketplace. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So here we have the home page. We have search marketplace. For example, you search about whatever you want. Have your browse all notifications, inbox, buying, selling. We have location also, and we have your categories. About this one, you have just to click for the one you want. For example, vehicles. I search for vehicles, and they will select the category. For example, boats, cars, motorcycle, power sports vehicle. Then we have trailers, lowers, and I will select cars, for example. Then you select copy hatchbacks, people carriers, salons, estates, cars, and you select the minimum price, the max price, and also if you want clothing, for example, select visit shoes, men or women, and also brand here, condition also, new used good. Then we have the so let's come back. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces. With tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So you have just to click over create new, and here we have three choices. The first one, item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, or rent. You have the first one, create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then we have the second one, sell a car, a van, or other type of vehicle. Then we have property for sale, rent, list a house or flat for sale, rent. So I will click for the first one. Once you do that, you will find this page. You have your listing. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. So we have a limit reached. You are not able to create new listings, and at the moment, we limit how often the sellers can post an offer to build a better community or for everyone. So the first step, you have just to upload an image for your product. Then you have here descriptive as possible. Be as descriptive as possible. You write your title. But before, this is my product, by the way. As you can see, you have here the first one, the second one, and the third one. Then I write the title, so it's basketball shoes, by the way. Basketball shoes, basketball. Sorry, I made a mistake here. About price $50. Then category, I will select antique and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage, books, films and music, mobile phones and accessories. Then we have clothing, shoes and accessories. I will select this one. We have baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, men's accessories, men's clothing, men's shoes, women's accessories, women's clothing also. Then we have women's handbags, women's shoes. So by the way, this one is for men and women. I will select women. And we have here women's athletic shoes, boots, flats, heels, sandals. So we'll click over the first one. Then we have the condition here, if it's new, like new, or good, or fair. Then we have more details. Attract more interest by including more details. But firstly, I will select the size, then brand here, activity, basketball, athleisure, dance, hiking, pilates, running, skateboarding, football, surfing, tennis. Then I will select a color, I will write black and red. Then we have description here. I will write, for example, new shoes, basketball for hoopers. I write hoopers to attract people because the one that play basketball know what that means, hooper, and it's attractive for those kind of people. Hoopers carry affinity. So in description you have to write something like that to attract people, verify your product, and start buy it. Kyrie Irving. Irving Infinity. This is the type of Kyrie. Then here we have availability, list as single item. First we have list. If you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. If you have list as a stock, if you are selling more than one item, I will select the second one because they have three product here. Then we have product tags here, SKU here. For example, 42 product tags. I will write, for example, Kyrie 123 or just Kyrie 8. You have location here, and we have also mirror preference. Buyers will be able to see your preference on your listing. Public meet app, door pick app, door drop off. Then we have post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. So of course I will switch on this one. You have hide from friends. So now I will just let it that because this listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. So I want my friends to buy it if they want something like, if they want my products. We have here marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on marketplace. See our commerce policies. You have just to click over next and you publish. So this is my information, and just modify it if you make a mistake. So this is how it works with creating a product on Facebook Marketplace. Now just to get started as soon as possible. This is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.